Hey guys, this is Dustin with DashSkin. Today we're going to go over several common questions we get about household cleaning products that can be used to prep your dash before installation, as well as cleaning and maintaining your DashSkin after it's installed. We have several of them here. As you can see to your right, we have several products that are okay and approved to use with either prepping or cleaning your DashSkin, as well as to your left, we have products that we do not recommend for various reasons. No, we do not recommend using alcohol for prepping your dash or cleaning your DashSkin with it because it can interact with plastics and dry them out, as well as discolor or strip your paint off. No, although Pine Sol is a very good cleaner, we do not recommend using it for prepping your dash because it can leave a sticky film on it and it can cause issues down the road with adhesion. No, you would not want to use acetone because it's a very harsh solvent and it can actually dissolve ABS plastic, so it could further damage your existing dash as well as the DashSkin that's installed. Yes, that's a great question. You can use Pledge to put on your DashSkin after it's installed to provide a nice shine look to it. We do not recommend it for the prepping portion, but after install, if you just want it to look clean, dust-free, and have a nice shine, it's perfect for that. And yes, that's a great question. Glass cleaner is a great product to use for prepping your dash for install because it does remove dirt and grime and grease. But we do not recommend using it to clean your DashSkin. That's a great question, and yes, any all-purpose cleaner is a great idea when cleaning your DashSkin. Won't hurt it at all. Right, that's a great question, and what we actually recommend is an industrial strength degreaser. That's going to be the #1 best thing you can use to prep your dash. It'll remove any dirt, grime, and create a good surface for your silicone to adhere to. Yes, it's a great question. If you are disinfecting your vehicle and you want to get some on your dash and clean that off, disinfectant wipes are perfectly safe, as well as a disinfectant spray. Just be sure to see if it does have bleach in it to wipe it off fairly quickly so as not to discolor the DashSkin at all.